In this video, we'll use a dry dishwashing detergent to clean the toilet bowl. You will need household cleaning gloves, a toilet brush, a pumice stone, especially if you have hard water, a scrubber, a toothbrush to get to some of those tough to get areas, and I'll be using Savvy Green dishwashing detergent. Thanks so much to our good friend Jeff who offered us this tip. Let's look at a toilet bowl that doesn't get used very often and doesn't get cleaned very often. I put in a capful of Savvy Green dishwashing detergent. I came back 30 minutes later so it could dissolve and clean the toilet bowl. Scrubbed with my toilet brush and used my pumice stone on the toilet ring. The toothbrush and the scrubber may not be necessary for everyone. Afterwards, I like to have the brush situated on the toilet so it will drip before storage. And there you have it, a nice clean toilet. Thanks so much for the tip, Jeff. It's good to know that there are some simple but effective means to household cleaners in an environmentally friendly way. For other household tips, please press the subscribe button.